How to remove personal data on Samsung Smart TV. So first of all, on your Smart TV, if you are logged on to your Samsung account, you will be able to see it over here. Now select on the pencil icon. Now over here, you would be able to see your account details, that is, your personal details. In order to remove it, you would have to choose the option of Sign Out. Now, simply select on this option of Yes. With that, you would be logged out of your Samsung account. Then again, if you are logged on to your personal account on certain downloaded apps on your Samsung Smart TV, you could simply launch that application and then directly log out of your personal account. So follow these easy steps in order to remove personal data on Samsung Smart TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.